You staking that tree again, Danny?
Yeah, it seems like every year the rope just won't hold up. It keeps breaking on me, and I'm trying to keep it from falling down the slope here.
Well, you know what? It's a good idea that you're trying to stake it up, but I don't think being on the slope has anything to do with it.
Well, what could possibly be making it lean so far so much?
Look up, Danny. The oak tree's creating shade, as we're in right now, and this poor little tree is reaching out there to try to get as much light as it can so it can grow. And even look at the back side of this tree. There is not one limb coming out in this direction.
So I guess also the limbs going in that direction, just the pure weight of it can cause it to lean a good bit.
Oh, it can. And you know, in my own yard in California, I have an avocado tree next to a persimmon tree. And the avocado tree is about 50 years old, which is pretty old. But I decided I want a persimmon tree. So I planted one on flat ground. And wouldn't you know, I have a very similar situation where the persimmon tree only has growth on half of it. And it's leaning a little bit.
Well, how could I avoid something like this then?
Well, the first thing you can do to avoid is proper planning, and that is when you come into a yard, look up, see how big the canopy is, and if the tree isn't fully mature yet, try to project how big it's going to be and make sure that you plant whatever tree that you want beyond that canopy so it's going to be able to reach up for the light.
Guess that makes sense.